Na-approve ka na ba sa credit card application mo? Or katulad ng isa nating subscriber, sabi niya, na-approve siya sa kanyang BDO credit card application, kaya iniingatan niya ito. And yes, super tama yan. Kasi kahit isang credit card lang ang meron ka, sobrang laki ng value kapag ginamit mo wisely. Hi everyone, Crisel Morales here, your lifestyle and personal finance content creator. Welcome back dito sa ating YouTube channel. So today, pag-uusapan natin what is the real value of having just one credit card at kung bakit hindi mo kailangan ng maraming credit card to start your financial journey. In our YouTube channel, we usually review credit cards, but most especially, pinag-uusapan natin kung paano gamitin ang ating mga credit cards with discipline and wisdom. Because, like what I always say, a credit card is not just a card. It is a financial tool. Unang-una sa lahat, kahit isang credit card lang ang meron ka, ito ang pinakamabilis at pinakamadali na way upang mabuild or mabuo ang bank record mo at credit score mo. Hindi mo kailangang magkaroon ng house loan, car loan, or personal loan. One credit card is enough. Credit card ang foundation ng history mo with the bank. You know what? When you pay on time, you're telling the bank na responsible ako. Trusted nyo akong client at kaya kong humawak ng credit. We don't really need to tell those verbally with the bank. By paying your credit card bills on time, this speaks a lot. At dahil dyan, tumataas ang chances mo for more credit card approvals, loan approvals, at iba-iba pang pre-approved applications with the bank. So kahit isang credit card lang yan, you are starting to build your credibility. Another value, one credit card is emergency financial backup. Life circumstances happen unexpectedly at aminin natin, walang exempted kahit isa sa atin. At dito, nangyayari ang unexpected expenses like sira ang appliances, medical needs, biglang school payments, last-minute travel, and many more. Instead of umutang sa iba, which kung minsan ang hirap gawin, it takes a lot of courage, boldness, para sabihin, auntie o sa pinsan, pautang naman. Pwede natin gamitin ang ating mga credit card temporarily basta meron tayong payment plan. Importante yon. Okay, so let me remind everyone, ginagamit natin ang ating mga credit cards with intention and not impulse. Okay? At ang third value, ito ang favorite ko. With just one credit card, matututunan mo ang financial management and financial discipline. Eto hindi natin kailangan ng maraming credit cards para tayo ay matuto na mag-track ng expenses, mag-budget, umiwas sa unnecessary spending, at mag-practice ng on-time payments. Kung baga dyan sa isang credit card mo, natututunan mong kontrolin ang finances mo, kaya yan ang isang magandang financial training ground. Fourth value, may rewards and perks ka kahit isa lang ang credit card mo. Well, depende sa card mo. May mga credit card na nagbibigay ng cashbacks, rewards, discounts sa mga malls and dining, 0% installment promos as well. Well, I'd like to mention, like what I've been telling you in my previous videos, na kapag no annual fee for life ang inyong mga credit card, most of them, if not all of them, walang rewards and points. Pero may 0% installment promos. At may discount pa rin sa mga mall or dining. So you see, if you know how to use your credit card in a smart way, meron tayong nare-receive pabalik. And that's the good thing of having even just one credit card. So isipin natin ha, for example, nag-grocery ka. So hindi mo ginamit yung cash na nasa iyo, ginamit mo ang credit card mo. That gives you the chance to pay yung mga items na binili mo a month after. And aside from that, may na-receive ka pang rewards and points. Panalo, di ba? And in connection to that is our convenience and our security. Hindi na tayo nagdadala ng cash at mas safe ka. Kasi pag ginagamit natin ang ating mga credit cards, meron siyang fraud protection, may instant alert sa mga transactions, may online tracking ng gastos. If you have experience, kapag ginagamit natin yung ating mga credit cards, nagpa-prompt ang mga bangko through SMS. Sinasabi, thank you for your transaction at SM or Robinsons, o yung mga ganyan. So those are instant alerts. And of course, at the same time, pwede nating i-track ang ating mga transactions through our app. Punta ka lang doon sa transaction history. At kapag nawala ang wallet mo, you can report immediately at hindi pera mo ang nakataya. Conditional credit ng bangko. Mas secure talaga siya kesa sa cash. Next value, unlock more opportunities. Kapag maganda ang paggamit mo sa first credit card mo, madami ang mga opportunities na mag-o-open for you. Like number 1, mas mabilis ang next card approval mo. Possible loan offers like personal loan, higher credit limit, and access to exclusive promos ng bangko. So again, hindi tungkol sa dami ng credit card mo ang pinag-uusapan, kundi sa paggamit mo nito. So sa mga credit card subscribers natin na meron lang isang credit card, iniingatan natin yan, ang ating paggamit nito, tama yan. Iingatan talaga natin kasi ang laki ng impact sa mga future transactions natin with the bank. And of course, more opportunities in the future ang magbubukas para sa'yo. Just like what the Bible says in Luke 16 verse 10, if you can be trusted with little, you can be trusted with much. Ibig sabihin, if you are responsible and disciplined with just one credit card, mas malaki at mas maraming blessings ang ibibigay ni Lord sa'yo. Okay, again, I say, use your credit card wisely. Do not abuse your credit card. Pay your credit card bills on time and alagaan mo ang credit card mo because that is the start of your financial growth. Kapag nakarelate ka sa video natin for today, i-comment mo na ang I agree or I use my credit card wisely. Diyan po nagtatapos ang ating video for today. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat for tuning in and sana makapag-subscribe na din ang mga hindi pa nag-subscribe sa ating YouTube channel. Please always tap the notification bell down there so that you'll always be notified kapag meron tayong bagong video. Okay, tandaan natin, kahit gaano karami ang pagsubok natin sa buhay, remember that life is beautiful because God is so good. Bye everyone!